This is a simple detonator that the GIs during World War II used to make, and it actually worked. My grandfather was a prisoner of war, and he actually made one of these little detonators and threw it in a boxcar as he was waiting to be transferred to the Stalag, to the prison camp. He told me that the train exploded about 3 minutes later after it had passed by, so it does work. So during World War II, the GIs would make this time-released detonator. You can see it's the cigarette and the matches. Light the cigarette, and then they would look for an open vent on the train. And what they're looking for is the ammunition train. And hopefully their time-release detonator explodes the ammunition train. You can actually break the cigarette in half and make a shorter fuse if you wanted to. But let's watch what happens here. As this goes burning down, I speeded up the video quite a bit. But take a look, and you can see that it would work really well. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.